Hi guys, on my travels and reviews I get to some interesting places, and today I'm in a big warehouse, pretty much empty, up in Loughborough. Used to be a big factory manufacturing lots of big transformers, but now they've downsized. I think a lot of the operations moved overseas. I thought I'd show you a little video taking use of my little cooker that I did a little while ago in the van. So here we go. So inside I've just placed a little tin. It's an old pellet tin actually, but it's just enough to raise the food up off the bottom so it doesn't stick. And obviously I'm just going to put that onto the stove like so, and the heat will obviously warm up the tin and create sort of like an oven effect. I'll put the samosa in next and we can see how that works. So in goes our little samosa, and we just put the lid on like so, and now we need to wait a few minutes, probably about 5 minutes I suspect. Temperature wise we've only got it on just below min. That's all we need really, just to put a bit of gentle heat into the pot, and that should be enough to obviously warm up the samosa in about 5 minutes. And just to give you a bit of a view of what kind of interesting places I get to see, this is the massive warehouse I'm working in. So I'm working on that little panel over there. That's what I'm working on today. So yeah, cool little place. Getting some use out of my kitchen, and happy days. Just see a bit of heat coming off the top of the pot now, so I would imagine it's nearly done, and we'll take a look in a sec. Well, I'd say that's kind of done, guys. I'll take him out and give it a taste, and show you in a second how yummy and warm this samosa is, just with a simple pot on a small stove. Well, to be honest, it's cooked pretty well. A little bit burnt on the edge, but that's to be expected considering the way I'm using the pot. But I can't really grumble about that. Piping hot inside. Ouch, yeah, we can see that's definitely hot. And that was only took about 5 minutes. So a simple little £20 pot, which you don't mind if it damages or burns. Got a little pot inside just to stop the burning, and you can cook something small like this just to warm up a bit of food on the go. And I have to say, it's pretty delicious. I'll see you guys soon. Please like, subscribe, share and follow, and if you like more videos like this, I'll keep posting.
I'm driving down an empty freeway, no waiting for the light to change. I'm seeing the sunrise behind me.